Welcome back to the Children's Science Center DIY series. Today I'll be helping you guys make some fluffy slime today with ingredients you can actually find around your house. Anything ranging from our baking soda, some food coloring, some glue, some shaving cream, and a beaker, as well as some liquid starch. All these ingredients we'll be using together to make our fluffy slime today. So let's go ahead and get started. Start off with our glue here. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and pour everything out. Now, one thing about glue, as you can see, is it pours super slowly because it's what's something called viscous, meaning that it's very sticky and it sticks to itself and also takes a long time to pour. That's why I got this popsicle stick to help me get all that glue out of there. And when I mean all of it, I mean all of it. So we're going to go ahead and scrape it all out. There we go. I'm also going to take a bit of our baking soda here, and this is just no more than a teaspoon. Go ahead and pour it all in. There we go. We're going to go ahead and start stirring that all together. And as I stir this together, I want to talk a little bit about glue. Oh, before I talk about glue, I forgot about the best part about slime. It's our food coloring here. I'm going to do a couple of drops of green. Green's my favorite color. You can do whatever color you'd like. I do no more than 3 drops would be fine. Go ahead, now I can stir this all together. There we go. So back to glue and why it's so great. Because glue is what's called a polymer. And a polymer, what that is that it's a bunch of molecules strung together to make one big chain of molecules. That's really cool because we can use that to make stuff like, I don't know, plastics, is like most of the things that we find around in the house. So as I stir this all together, I think that looks about good. You want it all to be one color. You don't really want to see any baking soda in there. Got this shaving cream here. Now, usually you take the shaving cream, you put it all over your face, and it'd be really fun. You look like Santa Claus. But today we're going to use it to make some slime. So I'm going to go ahead and pour a whole bunch in there. Ah, there we go. That's pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and now mix all of that in as well. Now, what this will do is it'll cause the glue to lose some of its viscosity, some of its stickiness, and some of its thickness to it. It'll make it a little bit more fluffy. And I'm going to mix it in until most of it is green, or like this light pecan green color. And then the last thing we need to do is go ahead and pour in this liquid starch. Now this liquid starch, you don't need very much of it because it contains what's called borax in it. You don't need more than a little bit here. Let me go ahead and pour it out. Like about 5 milliliters, no more than 10. Go ahead and pour all that in. Now, I'm doing certain amounts because that is what we were shown how to do, but you can make it however you like. That's the best part about science. You can do it however you like. Now I'm going to go ahead and stir this in, and as I stir it in, you can see the slime's already starting to form. So as I mix it up, you can see the slime is sticking to itself. It's getting stuck to the walls. All the glue is turning from a liquid into what's called a non-Newtonian fluid, meaning that it's both a solid and a liquid as long as force is applied. So I can actually push it around, but it'll melt in my hand like a liquid. You can even drip like that. So there's plenty of good stuff to do. Now, as you play with your slime, you can see it's a little slimy, a little sticky, but that's okay. The more you play with it, the better it becomes. Less sticky, less slimy. Oh, just as stretchy though. So that is how you make fluffy slime. I would think this is an awesome experiment to do at home, and you can have lots and lots of fun with it. All right, that's it. Have a good day.